Hi, it's Mrs. Rivera. We're going to read a story called Pillow Fort Password. So, a pillow fort is a little area. It looks like a house, right? But you make it out of blankets and pillows. And a password is something that you use to get into something, just like you have a password to get into your Google account so that nobody else can get inside. A password is like a secret word that will help you get inside somewhere. So this story is called Pillow Fort Password. Okay. Pillow Fort Password. Are the boys' rules for the Pillow Fort fair? So they're going to have rules to get into the Pillow Fort, and we're going to look at that. All right. My brother wanted to come inside the Pillow Fort. So he wanted to go inside. Do you think he's going to let him in? He did not know the password. And remember last time I showed you this word no? Even though it makes the n sound, it has a K in front of it because the K doesn't make any noise. It's silent. So he did not know the password. So I guess he can't go in. And it says keep out on the pillow fort. My sister wanted to come inside the pillow fort. She did not know the password, so I guess she can't go in either. So do you notice a pattern with this book? My dad wanted to come inside the pillow fort. He did not know the password. My mom wanted to come inside the pillow fort. Oh, look what she has. She has some cookies. She did not know the password. But I'm looking at this picture and I'm noticing that he's really thinking about letting his mom in. I wonder why. I let my mom in anyway. Why do you think he's letting her in? Yeah, because she had some cookies. People who bring cookies do not need a password. So because she brought the cookies, he let her in. Looks pretty cool inside. It got lights. It has the pillows inside. They're wearing hats. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to do the activities. So first you're watching my video, which is this video right now. And number 2 says, what would you put in your pillow fort? If you made a pillow fort, what would you put in it? What would it look like? I want you to think about that. So if you need help writing your answer, which you're going to write down here, okay, in the red, you could type right there. If you need help with the sentence, you can use these sentences to help you with your writing. You're not going to write it up here. You're only writing it down here. So you could copy it if you need to. It says, I would have blank in my pillow fort. Maybe you would have pillows. Maybe you would have your video games. Maybe you would have your pets, whatever you want in your pillow fort. And it says, my pillow fort would have, so think about what it would look like. Would your pillow fort have lights? Would it have books? What would it have inside? What would it look like? Okay, and then you go to the next page, and there are a bunch of words here. Okay, we have like bug, goat, sun, pit, rat, fun, boat, sit, cat, and mug. What you're going to do is you're going to find the rhyming words that go together. So for example, and you can type here and here. So for example, a rhyming word is a word that has the same sound at the end of the word. So I'm looking here and I see fun. So I'm going to erase that and I'll write fun. and I see a word that rhymes with fun. Can you find it? Right here, sun. So I'm going to write on this side, sun, because fun and sun rhyme. They sound very similar, okay, because they both have UN at the end of the word. So you're going to find all the rhyming words. You could try number 2 and number 3 and number 4 and number 5 by yourself. Okay, that's how you do this activity. And the last activity is you're going to read the sentence and decide which one of these words, these are pronouns, we learned about them before, which one of these words which one of these words can replace or take place of the word up here. So for example, number 1 says, Michael read 5 books last week. Now, Michael, I know, is a boy's name, okay? So I know another word for boy could be one of these. Do you see it? He. So I'm going to click on he. I'm going to take it and I'm going to move it up here. So I can say, he read 5 books last week instead of saying Michael, okay? And you're going to do it with the other ones too. Now remember, when we say we, that's talking about me and somebody else. When we say she, that's talking about a girl. When we say they, that's talking about other people, not you. And when we talk about it, we're talking about either an animal or a thing, okay? Not a person. All right, so let me know if you need any help. You could send me a message.